drilling, plus reaming, plus countersink, plus tapping. From BDS Maschinen. MAB 825 magnetic drilling plus tapping machine from the Profi Plus category. Full performance, flexible and robust. MAB 825 is the best choice for structural steel engineering, plant construction, PEB structures, etc. Up to incredible 100mm core drilling capacity. Up to 110mm cutting depth. With annular cutters, delivering fast holes without any pre-drilling or step drilling. Delivering perfectly finished holes. Up to 31.75mm diameter drilling with twist drill bits. Up to 31.75mm diameter reaming. Up to 50mm diameter countersink. And the premium feature of the MAB 825 is tapping up to M30. Quick and easy tapping with reversible motor. Simply better drilling. Equipped 1800 watt motor weighing just 25 kilograms. High performance 4-speed gears. Internal lubrication. Magnet indicator for safety. Safely arranged switches. Reversible motor. Protective cap for motor. Precise speed and torque controls. Sleek integrated cooling tank. Carbon brush wear control indicator. Complete internal cabling to avoid accidents. Heavy-duty Morse Tapper 3 machine. Full wave control electronics for steady watt even during drilling. Unique friction clutch which prevents cutter breakage. Advanced motor overheat protection for safety. MAB 825 magnetic core drilling. Tapping machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.